Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. All right, so we have got emails of questions of individuals talking about personal profile information, non-response letters, talking about AUs, authorized user, and whether you can get one and still get that credit card. Matter of fact, I think that's the email I want to start with first. An individual wrote in and says, hey, if someone were to put me on as an authorized user on this specific travel miles card, okay, that gives membership rewards points or a specific type of points for their credit card, okay? So if I were to be put on as an authorized user for this person, my friend or family, right, this person's special travel card, would I be able to eventually apply for that travel card in the future? Okay, so let's say you're an authorized user on an Amex card, a Citi card, a Chase card, a Barclays card, whatever it might be. Maybe it's American Airlines, Amex, maybe it's a travel card, a venture card, something like this, right? And you're put on as an authorized user. Will you be able to get that card in the future? You're cleaning up your credit, you're like, hey, I want my own travel card. Can I get one? Chances are yes, you're very much so still able to get that primary line of credit, that primary trade line in your name, that's a travel card or business credit card or cashback card or whatever it might be. Just because you're as an authorized user on that card doesn't mean that you can't get it later, okay? And oftentimes this authorized user situation can put you in that relationship with that card issuer or bank, or put you in that family, so to speak, right? So now you've got something with Capital One, you've got something with Amex, you've got something because you're an authorized user there, and they actually sometimes feel even more comfortable, okay? So not only is it, oh, can I get it? Yeah, and they might even feel more inclined to help you out in the future, all right? Yes. So if you're cleaning up your credit, right, you want to get your own travel cards, your own cashback cards, you want to get these charge-offs, these collections off, 609creditrepair.com, got the Beyond Committed package, or we can do the work for you at the awesomelifegroup.com. One of the things that we've got in that Beyond Committed package, one of the things that we have for you available in those 609 letters, one of those things that's going to be very helpful to you when these bureaus try to play games and they try not to respond is that non-response letter, okay? So this individual says, hey, look, I've sent my letters, but TransUnion Experian didn't respond in the mail, okay? Equifax did respond, so TransUnion Experian didn't respond at all, but Equifax did respond via email, via online submission. They're trying to send me information online. It seems that some things have been removed. My credit score has gone up 13 points with Equifax, but I'm not getting anything from TransUnion Experian, and of course this individual wants to get their Equifax reports in the mail. So we've got a specific letter that says, hey, look, you need to stop with all this online, send me emails and all this. Everything needs to be done through the United States Postal Service, okay? And for TransUnion Experian, you can send your next round of letters with your non-response letters, and if they fail to respond within 30 days, postmarking your response within 30 days from when they get the letters, they have not 100% verified. This stuff is to be deleted, so you can complain to the CFPB and you can get this negative, nasty, erroneous stuff off there. But this is a great start. First round of letters, 13-point increase for this individual. And then I have one other question, personal profile information. I wanted to just read this a little bit here because it says that this person has many errors of their personal profile, incorrect information on there. And I wanted to just remind people, double check your reports. Many people are having a lot of inaccurate, erroneous information in their personal profile, names, addresses, where they've worked, phone numbers, all sorts of things, even social security numbers. So make sure you get that one good, everything, address and name and social, make sure that's correct. It can help you disassociate from stuff that's inaccurate, obsolete, outdated, not even yours, or that's 100% unverified, all this stuff. So please, you can do this. You can get to the other side. Email me if you need support as well, okay? 609creditrepair.com, or we can do the work for you at the awesomelifegroup.com. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.